Most people know sugarcane for sugar production, but the leftover bagasse contains valuable cellulose fibers that can be transformed into sustainable textiles. After extensive cleaning, the bagasse fibers are ready for cellulose extraction. The cleaner the fibers, the higher the quality of the final textile material. Sugarcane to sustainable textile clothing manufacturing. Sugarcane cellulose from sugarcane bagasse has now become real textile fibers. The next stage increases strength, durability, and performance. What started as sugarcane bagasse is now transformed into high-quality textile fiber. The next step will convert these fibers into The sugarcane fibers have now become premium textile yarn. The next stage transforms yarn into fabric, the material that will eventually become clothing. For the first time, the sugarcane-based material truly resembles fabric. Soon it will be inspected, colored, softened, and The sugarcane fabric is now structurally complete. The next transformation will give it color, softness, and the premium finish expected in modern fashion garments. The sugarcane fabric has now entered garment manufacturing. Individual panels will soon become complete t-shirts, hoodies, shirts, and trousers. The individual fabric pieces are now becoming recognizable garments. The final assembly operations will complete every detail before inspection and packaging. From sugarcane bagasse to finished apparel, the manufacturing journey is nearly complete. The final stage
Okay, bring the next pallet forward.
Clear on this side.
Seal it up, shipment 72 underway.
The the sustainable clothing made from sugarcane bagasse is now leaving the manufacturing country and entering global supply chains.
I love how soft this feels, and it's made from sugarcane. It looks amazing on you. I might get the trousers. I love how soft this feels, and it's made from sugarcane.
I know, right? The quality is amazing. I'm definitely getting this one.
I love how soft this sugarcane hoodie is.
It looks great on you, and it's sustainable too. This fabric is incredibly soft, and knowing it's sustainable makes it even better.
Yeah, definitely. I'm impressed with this collection. I love this hoodie. It's incredibly soft.
And sustainable too, right? Looks great on you.